Hello, I'm Daniel Nata. I'm a software engineer at Flower Labs. Today, I want to share with you some exciting new features from our recent release of Flower. In version 1.9, we are enhancing the security of Flower with a new authentication feature that ensures only authenticated supernodes can connect to Superlink and participate in a federated learning session. This is a significant step in our effort to make Flower as secure as possible for deployment in production environments. For instance, consider a hospital using federated learning to collaborate with other hospitals. Proper authentication mechanisms ensures that only verified hospital and researchers can access and contribute to the federated learning process. This way, unauthenticated parties are prevented from accessing the collaborative effort and conducting attacks. To experience our new authentication feature, download the latest release of Flower 1.9. Now, let me walk you through the details and show you step by step how to enable authentication in Flower. Finally, we'll watch the demo to see the federated learning process with authentication enabled in action. To enable authentication, you need to start Flower Superlink with an HTTPS connection. If you want to learn more about setting up Superlink with an HTTPS connection, we have prepared detailed documentation for you. Feel free to check it out. It's linked in the description below. After configuring the necessary flags for the HTTPS connection, setting up authentication is very easy. Here's what you need to do. First, use the auth list public keys flag to provide the file path to the CSV file of known client public keys. Next, use the auth superlink private key flag to provide the file path to the superlink's private key. And finally, use the auth superlink public key flag to provide the file path to the superlink's public key. With these 3 steps, you'll have authentication enabled in no time. Configuring Supernode to enable authentication is very straightforward and similar to setting up Superlink. Here's what you need to do. First, use the auth supernode private key flag to provide the file path to the supernode's private key. Then, use the auth supernode public key flag to provide the file path to the supernode's public key. As you can see, enabling the authentication feature in Flower is very easy. Let's take a look at how it works in practice. This demo is based on the code example available in our GitHub repository. Don't forget to visit flower.ai and explore our GitHub repo for more details about our friendly federated learning framework. Now, let's dive into the demo. At the top left, you can see that Superlink has been started with authentication enabled using 2 known public keys. In the bottom, 2 supernodes have been started with credentials for authentication. To start the federated learning process, simply run the server app. You can see the command to run the server app at the top right. Let's run it now. Observe that the federated learning process has started with authentication enabled. It's that easy. So that was our new Flower Node authentication feature. We've walked you through the steps to enable authentication and provided a demo. We're excited to see how you incorporate this into your projects. Thank you for watching.